Multiple offers. Which one should you choose? Did you know that just because you receive an offer $20,000 over your asking price, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's a better offer than the one that was only $10,000 over your asking price? Believe me, I want you to pocket the most amount of money for your house too, so I understand why you'd be a little confused here. I help sellers determine what is best for them, and sometimes the offers they choose don't have the highest price. Hi, I'm Brandis Kritzer with Homes by Brandis at eXp Realty. To choose the offer that is best for you, we'll need to break down some key things to think about besides the offer price. First up, the closing date. Does the date match up with your desired time frame? Or will it leave you homeless for a few weeks while you wait for your next house to close? Or is the closing date insignificant? Next, what type of financing does the buyer have? Are they offering cash or getting a loan? Did you know that the type of loans need to be taken into consideration based on the condition of your home and other contributing factors? Certain loan types have stricter appraisal requirements than others. Imagine if you found yourself in a situation where you're now required to make a $10,000 repair or replacement, or the buyer's lender says, "Nope, we're not funding this loan." And are they offering an additional down payment to bridge the gap if the appraisal value does not come in at their offered purchase price? In a hot market, everyone is offering over asking price. Does that mean you will actually receive that price? Well, not necessarily if you potentially accept the wrong offer or don't counter out certain items in the contract. Well, how about the inspection contingency? Most buyers will want an inspection done on their new home before moving in. Truthfully, it's a great way to protect themselves from unforeseen circumstances. However, we're in a market that is so hot that we're seeing plenty of buyers waiving their inspection contingency. So in comparing two possible offers, if one offer is $20,000 over asking price and the buyer is requesting an inspection, but then you have another offer that is only $10,000 over asking price, but they are waiving their inspection, which means they are not having any inspections done at all, well, then that could end up being significant. During inspections, there is a possibility of the inspector finding issues that you didn't know of. And then you and the buyers would possibly have to re-enter negotiations, or worse, they could simply walk away. Those are just a few things to think about when you're reviewing multiple offers. Having an experienced agent like myself in your corner to help you comb through the fine print details of multiple contracts will not only stop your head from spinning, but will also get you the most money for your home with a strong confidence that we won't run into a ton of issues that could cost you time, money, and energy later in the transaction. These are just some of the reasons that the highest priced offer may not always be the best choice for you when selling your home. I'm here to help and make sure that you have an empowered and informed real estate experience by guiding you every step of the way. This is Brandis with Homes by Brandis at eXp Realty. Welcome home.